Want to program a key fob for your 1996-1999 Chevy C K 1500? It's a DIY-friendly process due to the fixed code system these trucks use. First, ensure you have a compatible key fob. Replacements are readily available online. Then, get in your truck with the key. The programming involves a sequence of ignition switch cycles and button presses on the fob. While the exact steps vary slightly by year, a common method is turning the ignition to on, then pressing and holding the fob's lockbox button while cycling the ignition multiple times. Finally, exit the vehicle and test the fob. If it doesn't work, try again, ensuring you follow the steps precisely. If programming fails, start by replacing the key fob's CR2032 battery, as a weak battery can cause issues similar to programming problems. The receiver module under the driver's side dash could be faulty, causing intermittent locking or no response. Replacement modules are available aftermarket. These systems use fixed codes, making them less secure than modern rolling code systems. Consider upgrading to an aftermarket rolling code module for better security against rising theft rates. DIY programming is convenient and legal for your own vehicle, but never tamper with others. Ensure your vehicle is in a safe location during the process. As trucks age, parts may become scarce, yet DIY remains viable for enthusiasts.